Yeah, we run things when we come through and don't call my phone. But my memory and we don't call my love.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I do my everyday makeup look. Probably when I'm going out for like a girls' night out or just like somewhere chill, nothing so serious. I'll show you guys how I achieved this look, this glow, this slay. This is my first makeup tutorial and my first tutorial ever. Like, I would appreciate so much thumbs up from you guys. Like, I can keep going and I can try better next time. If you guys like it, please leave a comment down below and subscribe to the channel. Enjoy. So guys, I moisturize my face with I like to do with Tucson's baby oil. Won't you focus back? Guys, after applying the moisturizer on your skin, on your face, maybe just let it settle for like few minutes, probably like about like a few minutes, depending on how much time you have to do that makeup for. A minute is fine, 2 minutes is fine. So yeah. So guys, after applying the moisturizer on my face, I do not apply so much moisturizer on my face because I just apply enough to prep the skin, because I have like a combination oily skin and I do not want oil really quick. Like, so I apply very little on my face and I spread it around. Then the next thing I applied this primer on my skin. You have to like let the moisturizer settle in your face for about like a couple of minutes, maybe 1 or 2 is fine. Then you apply the primer. Then after that, that's what I just did. I just applied the primer, especially on my T-zones. Like, that's where I get really oily very quickly. So next thing I use, guys, I use Milani 2-in-1, but it's just finished, and that foundation is really good. I like because it spreads out really easily for me. So even on my clients, it's very easy to blend out. Like, I love it. But it's just finished. My shade just finished. So, and another thing, it has like oil in it. I do not actually like the fact that it has oil in it, because I have like combination oily skin. But I use it anyway because like I said, it's easy to blend out and I like the way it spreads. But this is another lovely foundation. This doesn't have as much oil as Milani 2-in-1 Conceal Plus Perfect something, I can't remember. Well, this is like Jordana. It's like Jordana Complete Maximum. This Jordana Complete Cover Maximum Coverage. Oh yeah. In what shade? That's it. And I have it in golden caramel. I have this shade in golden caramel. That's basically what I use on my face. I had to get the mirror. I don't know how I was doing makeup tutorial and I have the mirror. I have the mirror with me, so I have to get the mirror. difficult to say one simple thing. So I'm not applying so much of this, guys. I'm not applying too much of it. Like, this is even too much, but it's quite enough. Now I'm done with this. I'm going to draw my brow. I always, well, even though you follow me on my Snapchat, on my Instagram, on my WhatsApp, you know I always do a bushy brow, like brows that you see or make your brows look very full and nicely brushed, or like hairy actually. So I always do that. I'll show you guys how I do that magic.
Can see the edge and I hope that you're falling for me. I don't need to fake. Hold me when I shake. Laying at your side and I burn like a naked flame. So catch me when I fall. Darling, don't you know I'm not scared at all. So don't let go. Catch me when I
like so far. I'm going to apply a little bit of cute. So if you're gonna look cute, just do a little bit of pink. A little bit, not too much, guys. Not too much. Same pink eyeshadow, and the blush I'm going really much easy with it. Guys, see my face big. It's some point. So guys, I'm done with the makeup look. I hope you guys like it. Let me see if I can like brush out my hair.
So catch me when I fall.
choose. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome. Probably like going out like girls' nights, girls' out, girls. I'm going